Well, this is the fourth Vox box. And inside we have our influencer card, the Uni Vox box. Red Rose tea drops. $1 coupon. First thing we got is an Acroball pen. I scribbled a bit right there. Looks nice and clear. Here are the tea drops. 24 servings. Black currant raspberry. A matte finish liquid foundation in ivory. Then we got NYC. This is our expert last color. And this is Forever Fuchsia. And then we got Impress. Some nice pink nails that last up to a week. Tells you how to apply them. And something that came in handy the first day it came in for me because I was at work. We got our Playtex Sport Fresh Balance. So here's everything for ya.